Hey everyone, it's Lisa, and today I'm going to do a big Colleen Rothschild unboxing of some things that I asked for, and I'm going to show you a few of my other favorite things, and then some of my hair stuff and all kinds of details like that. So Brooke opened this for me, but I have not looked in it because I kind of wanted to, I don't know, I like surprise, and I wanted to go through it with you guys. So here it is. Before I forget, Colleen is having a big sale, Christmas in July sale, and it is going from the 21st, let me make sure I get the dates right, 7/21, so July 21st to July 26th, Christmas in July, up to 50% off of select items plus 20% off of everything else. So I will put all the codes and dates and everything down below along with everything that I show you. Okay, this is something that I asked for that I have not tried. It is the Colleen Rothschild Beauty Sponge, latex free. I don't know if I can get that open now, but I will tell you, I like that it's dark. It's kind of like her signature color. Good, and it has like it's just like the typical sponge. So we will use this together one day, and I will let you know how I like it, but I wanted to try that. Okay, let's see what this is. Balancing Gel Cleanser. And I've been using something like just anything like Cetaphil, CeraVe or something like that, but I wanted something just a little bit better because I wanted to tell you about her glycolic acid peel pads with blue agave. I've been using these in the mornings. They're strong. They're kind of like spa strength. So they're better than something you would buy at the drugstore, but they're not going to strip your skin. You can use these AM and PM, and like this morning, I had gone to the beach yesterday, and I did put on makeup pretty heavily because it had sunscreen in it. It was like a BB cream. And then I came home, took a shower, even used a scrub in the shower, didn't wear makeup for the rest of the day, got up, washed my face with like CeraVe or something, did one of these pads, and still had this much makeup left on my skin. So I was thinking I wanted something that maybe was a little bit more and maybe a little bit more geared towards my summer skin, which is a little oilier. So I got the Balancing Gel Cleanser, and so I'm excited to try this, and all of her things are just so pretty. It just looks pretty on your vanity. And so this, wow, it's got a pump and everything. Okay, great. Okay, and then this morning, one of my favorite products, I've told you guys this before, after I do the pad, a lot of times I will do, I'm almost out, I hope that there's another one in here. If there's not, I'll place an order. But I love the recovery cream. It just feels so good. I don't use it as an eye cream, but I carry it like right up to there, and then I carry the rest down my neck. All of her products smell so good. Okay, the Retinol Supreme Eye Serum, yes. So I wanted to try this because I need it. I've got wrinkles and stuff around my eyes. I have tried getting Botox around my eyes, but then I don't like the way, if I get Botox around my eyes, it freezes this. So then when I smile, it makes my cheek bunch up, and then it makes an under eye circle, makes a shadow. I just don't like it. I would rather just have my smile lines. So I wanted this to try to see, just anything with retinol is just going to help your skin cells turn over faster. It's going to carry the good stuff in this serum down deeper. So I wanted to try that. This is the Complete Eye Cream. So probably what I would do is use this at night and then use this during the day before I put on my makeup. I have used this before and I loved it. It's in the little pot. It feels so good. It's not too heavy, not a strong scent, or might even be unscented. So it's not going to make your eyes like water from all the perfume. So we'll be trying this. I'm going to implement all of these into my skincare tonight. Yay! This is the Extreme Recovery Cream. This is probably one of my favorite products and my most used, along with the Cleansing Balm. That's something, like if I had used that before I got in the shower yesterday. I probably would have been better off, but I was just sandy, hot, wanted to jump in the shower, so I just jumped in the shower and used whatever was in there. So the Extreme Recovery Balm I will use when this one's empty. Okay, this is the Restorative Hand Cream. Love that. I think I had the end of a tube here somewhere, so I wanted this to put in my car. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. If you like the fragrances that I like, you are going to love this. It smells so good, and it leaves your hands not too slicky or greasy feeling, but still moisturized and has that good glow and everything. Let me do it. Her packaging is so nice too, like the really high-end hand creams. It would be a good gift because you can tell it's special. Take my ring off. Okay, so let's use this. Oh, it feels so good and it smells so good. I had left mine in one of my old, I can't remember if it was a travel bag or a handbag, and I just came across it. I'm almost out. Okay, so it just really revives the look of your hands. I love it. That's been one of my favorite products from the beginning. Okay, and then this is the Discovery Collection. Okay, so this is something, if you have never tried Colleen's skincare, her hair care, which is become my like go-to just favorite hair system or hair care, and I'll tell you in a minute what I use. This is a nice little like travel bag, and it comes with the Radiant Cleansing Balm, Clarifying Detox Mask, Dual Enzyme Polish, which I love. If you deal with flaky, lacy skin that will not come off but ruins your makeup, you will love the Dual Enzyme Polish, Extreme Recovery Cream, and Face Oil number 9. So that is your PM routine. Your AM routine would be the Radiant Cleansing Balm and the Sheer Renewal Cream. So that is all in this bag, and it is a great way to try the system. Hey, and then this is my favorite. I used this when we went to the beach. It is all of her hair products in this really cool little bag, not cheap or cheesy. And in this bag you get her shampoo. Let me unwrap it real quick. Okay, so you get her Quench and Shine Restorative Shampoo for all hair types. Love it. Let me just show you everything, and then I'll go through why I love each of these. The Quench and Shine Restorative Mask. These cute little containers are so cute. The Smooth and Shine Hair Serum. And then in this kit you get this cool comb that you can use in the shower. Okay, so let's start with the shampoo. One of the reasons I love it is it smells so sexy and almost like a fragrance, like a boyfriend fragrance. The big one comes with a pump. I love that. I always wash my hair twice because I usually go 2 to 3 days and I have an oily scalp. And so I just love that it's not hard to get out or anything. And it cleans my hair, but it never leaves it feeling stripped. And yesterday when I was in the shower, I used it, and I had decided I wanted to try that method that a lot of people do when you air dry your hair, where you comb it in the shower. So I washed it twice, and I thought, okay, I wanted to go ahead and kind of establish my part and everything before I did the comb and the mask. So I was kind of, if you use a shampoo that like strips your hair too much, it almost becomes like a helmet to your head, and you cannot even, kind of separate it until you put lots of conditioner in it. It was not like that at all. Even before I put the conditioner in it, I was able to part my hair and kind of do my hands through it. Then I put in the restorative hair mask. This is a product that if you have really fine hair that is maybe, limp and you don't want to use anything too heavy, then maybe you would not use this every time. But I'm the kind of person that needs like a hair mask every time. So I use this every time, and it also smells so good. Oh my goodness, this is the cutest little container. I have the big tub of it. The smell the smell alone or the fragrance alone is enough to make you love it. It just, I don't know, it makes the whole shower experience better. And it looks so pretty in your shower, and I know that's not a big deal, but it is to me. I usually get a little bit of this, and it just emulsifies in your hair so easily and coats it. And then I did the comb in the shower, and I let it dry. So I don't know if I prefer this method, or what I had been doing is shampoo, conditioner, getting out, and then both times I used the oil when I got out. Yesterday I used 3 pumps. Actually, I did not even put my hair in a turban or anything. I used her towel, and Sassy's in this box over here, so if you hear something, that's her. But what I did is I used her hair towel. It's a microfiber towel, and I just dried my hair like this. Then I used 3 pumps of her hair serum, which is not too heavy at all. But today, let's just use, I'll show you, 1 pump. It's not really, really thick. So, and what I usually do is, especially like these pieces, smell so good. These little pieces around here, I kind of just work it in. But look how much it makes it shine. I love it. So definitely, if you are on the fence and just want to try some things, I'll rub it all in my hands. Definitely either get the hair kit, I feel 95% sure you're going to love it, or the Discovery kit, or if I had to say my favorite product from the skincare line, it would probably be the Recovery Cream. That is what I use the most, and I even use it underneath my makeup sometimes. So that is my Colleen Rothschild haul, and those are some of my favorite things. And don't forget about the Christmas in July sale that starts on the 21st. There will be some select products that are 50% off, and then 20% off of everything. So thank you to Colleen and her team for asking me to partner with them on this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.